Welcome to this step-by-step guide on creating a wireframe in Figma. In this tutorial, you will learn how to quickly and efficiently set up a basic wireframe interface that captures the essential elements of your design. We begin by directing you to open your web browser and navigate to the Figma website. Once you have Figma open, locate the login option in the top right corner of the page. Select this option to begin the process of accessing your account. After clicking the login area, you will be presented with different sign-in choices. For simplicity, choose the option to continue with your Google account. Once you select this method, a prompt will appear with a list of your available Google accounts. Pick the account that you want to use to sign into Figma. This method streamlines the login process by eliminating the need to remember a separate username and password. After successfully logging in, it is time to open your project workspace. You will need to navigate to your project, which in this tutorial represents your design environment, where you plan to construct and manipulate your wireframe elements. The process continues by adding a base image to your project. This might be a screenshot from a YouTube dashboard or any other reference image that suits your design needs. Pasting this image into your project will serve as the foundational layer upon which you build your wireframe. Once your base photo is in place, direct your attention to the toolbar where you will find the frame tool at the bottom. Selecting this tool is essential because it allows you to create a new frame that will hold your design elements. After clicking on the frame tool, move to the properties panel located on the right side of your screen. This panel is where you can adjust various settings for the frame you just created. At this point, you will change the dimensions of your frame to suit the needs of your design layout. Adjusting the size of the frame is crucial because it ensures that all subsequent elements will be scaled appropriately. With your frame perfectly sized, examine your base image closely. Identify and distinguish the most eye-catching elements of the photo. This step is vital for replicating the overall visual hierarchy in your wireframe. The next part of the tutorial involves creating a shape that mimics the important features of your base image. Use the shape tool to draw an element within your frame that represents one of the key areas from the screenshot. Once the shape is created, use the controls on the properties panel to adjust the radius and the dimensions of the shape. This allows you to fine-tune the design to match the original reference more closely. As you continue to refine your wireframe, focus on keeping the visual design uncluttered. Limit your color palette by using only white, black and grey hues. This helps to avoid distractions and keeps attention on the layout rather than the colors. With the basic shapes and layout defined, add textual elements and adjust the size of any icons or thumbnails. Making these adjustments contributes to defining the final structure of your wireframe. This process, when followed step by step, results in a clean and effective wireframe that accurately represents your original ideas. You have now learned to log into Figma, access your project, incorporate a reference image, and build out a frame that is tailored to your design needs. All of these steps combined provide you with a strong foundation to further develop your design into a fully realized project. Enjoy the ease and precision that Figma offers as you continue to create and iterate on your wireframe designs.